Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Hey guys, we are back in the camper again, and this time we're at Bald Mountain Camping Resort up in Hiawassee, Georgia. So there's the baby. You haven't got to see much of him, but it's pretty nice up here. Let's check it out. First time camping in the rain.
Look at Daddy.
Hey, what is he doing? It's too much noise.
That's a good one.
I'm in a tornado. Oh my God.
Say mama. Mama, mama. Say it. Say mama, mama, mama. Mama, mama, mama. Oh. Go say mama down there. Say mama, mama, mama. Oh, God.
Alright guys, it's raining out here, and I'm looking at the aftermath of our awning. I don't know if that's part of it or what that is. It's raining out here though, and we heard this super loud crash, and literally thought we came off the blocks or somebody hit us or whatever, but the wind caught up. Looks like we're the only one that was extremely lucky to lose any of their parts, and this is the kind of luck we got. So but anyways, so we can find the rest of it here. Oh yeah, that's one of our poles there. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that's, I mean, it's to here. It didn't hurt anybody else's thing. So, golly, that is deep water. Wow. surprised that it like unlocked all of these pieces. I'm guessing it just snapped them right off. Yeah, must have. Oh yeah, it just snapped it right off from up there. It looks pretty rough. But it couldn't take it all the way. It's like it broke both of those. Up there at the top. Oh yeah. Oh man. Anyways. All right, guys, so we made it through the night, made it back home, and awning was definitely in pieces. I mean, it was literally all three of these pieces that go together were just scattered, and it definitely broke. Up there, you can see that this is not attached anymore, and that should be attached. It's keeping tension on it anyways, and then we strapped it here just in case, but it broke both sides there. So that kind of sucks. Those are like $25 a piece though, so I can get some couple new ones. The rest of the parts seem okay, and it got a little scratched up as it went flying across the roof. So that was pretty loud. And you see where it hit pretty hard right there as it came around this side and smacked. That's kind of the only spot that's real bad there. Haven't noticed any other major issues or anything from it, so get that fixed and then try to do better, strap it down harder. I mean, but it literally been lightly raining all day long, off and on. We didn't think the wind was going to catch up, and it only did for about 3 minutes, and it was over with. So pretty crazy though. Good to be back though.